Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you are like me, you have probably spent some time dreaming about retirement, picturing those peaceful golden years. But then reality hits. The cost of living keeps rising, and suddenly that dream feels a little out of reach, especially if you are planning to live primarily on Social Security. Well, what if I told you that dream is absolutely still possible? Today, we are going to uncover 10 hidden gems across the US, small towns where your Social Security check can truly cover your living expenses, and you can enjoy a comfortable, fulfilling retirement without breaking the bank. These are not just cheap places. They offer good quality of life, community, and often beautiful surroundings. Let us dive into our list. First up, we have Hot Springs, Arkansas. This historic resort city is famous for its thermal springs and a vibrant downtown, all while maintaining a remarkably low cost of living. Housing is affordable, and you get access to national parks, beautiful lakes, and a friendly community. It is a place where relaxation and nature meet affordability. Next, let us head to Pittsfield, Massachusetts. Often overlooked for its more expensive New England neighbors, Pittsfield offers a surprisingly good value. You will find a rich arts and culture scene, excellent healthcare facilities, and access to the stunning Berkshire Mountains, all with property taxes and housing costs that are significantly lower than the regional average. Moving south, consider Cape Girardeau, Missouri. Perched on the Mississippi River, this city boasts a charming historic district, a university community that brings cultural events at a very low cost of living. Across the board, from housing to groceries, your dollar stretches much further here, and you get that beautiful riverfront charm. Our fourth town is Greenville, Mississippi. Deep in the Mississippi Delta, Greenville offers some of the lowest housing costs you will find anywhere in the US. If you are looking for true affordability and a laid-back lifestyle steeped in history and Southern hospitality, this often overlooked town could be perfect. Next, we venture west to Cheyenne, Wyoming. For those who love the open skies and a drier climate, Cheyenne is a fantastic option. Wyoming has no state income tax, which is a huge bonus for retirees. And Cheyenne itself offers reasonable housing costs, a strong sense of community, and easy access to outdoor activities. Heading back towards the Rockies, we find Pueblo, Colorado. While many Colorado cities are becoming unaffordable, Pueblo remains a beacon of value. It offers a sunny climate, a vibrant historic district along the Arkansas River, and significantly lower housing prices than Denver or Colorado Springs, all while still being close enough to enjoy mountain adventures. Our seventh spot takes us to Huntington, West Virginia. Nestled along the Ohio River, Huntington is known for its friendly residents, beautiful parks, and remarkably low cost of living. The housing market is very affordable, and you will find a good sense of community and access to basic amenities. Let us stay in the Ohio River Valley and talk about Portsmouth, Ohio. This small, historic river town offers extremely low housing costs and a quiet, peaceful environment. It is perfect for those who want a slower pace of life, a strong sense of local community, and maximum financial flexibility on a Social Security budget. Coming in at number 9, we have Decatur, Illinois. This Midwest city provides classic American charm with an incredibly affordable cost of living. It offers a good range of amenities, healthcare facilities, and a supportive community without the high price tag found in larger metropolitan areas. Plus, you get those beautiful changing seasons. And finally, for our 10th hidden gem, let us head to Florence, Alabama. Part of the Shoals area, Florence offers a delightful blend of southern charm, a vibrant music history, and a very low cost of living. With its beautiful riverfront, unique shops, and rich culture, it is an ideal spot for retirees looking for an active yet affordable lifestyle. So there you have it, 10 incredible US towns where retiring on Social Security alone is not just a fantasy, but a real possibility. These places prove that you do not have to sacrifice quality of life for affordability. Each offers a unique blend of community, natural beauty, and a cost of living that makes your retirement dreams achievable. Which of these towns caught your eye? Have you visited any of them? Or do you know of another hidden gem that belongs on this list? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more retirement planning tips, and do not forget to hit that notification bell so you do not miss our next video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.